Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Alright guys, if we're looking at the overall crypto market cap, we're currently sitting at $2.05 trillion. We're down 4.8% in the last 24 hours, and Bitcoin dominance is currently sitting at 50.2%. If we're looking at the overall market, guys, we are seeing a lot of red across the board, despite besides some coins in green. But majority of the altcoins are, down double digits, and it's due to the fact that Bitcoin went down once more. As you guys may know, Bitcoin is the leading indicator of the market. When it goes down, altcoins go down double digits with it. And I believe this pullback was due to whale manipulation, in my opinion. But again, we needed this because at the end of the day, we were seeing green after green after green after green. So this was very much needed, and it's extremely healthy because nothing goes up straight forever in a bull market. We could definitely see corrections like this before we do see newer highs. But today I want to talk about none other than Cardano. Alright guys, if we're looking at Cardano's price right now, Cardano is currently trading at $1.18, and it's down 9.1% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also down 6.3% in BTC comparative in the last 24 hours. Current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is top 7. Market cap right now is $38 billion and 24-hour trading volume is $5 billion. If we're zooming out in the last 30 days, Cardano is down 2.1%, and in the last 7 days, 10.4% it's down. I believe this is extremely healthy before we do see newer highs. We cannot control price corrections when Bitcoin goes down. That is to be expected, and this is why you should always have some sort of strategy in place to take some profits and buy back these dips. But I want to share one article with you guys, and then we will do our price analysis on ADA. Alright, Cardano's upcoming Alonzo update pushes ADA price despite a major delay. The Cardano Foundation is led by Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano and also the co-founder of Ethereum blockchain. On April 6th, through his YouTube channel, he discussed roadmap covering the next 4 years in a video titled Some Musing About the Roadmap. In these musings, he mentioned that although the Cardano developers are working on solving the scalability issue and Cardano's approach to it, he will only turn his attentions towards this issue once the Alonzo update has been completed. The scalability phase of the Cardano roadmap is coming up next following the completion of the Gogen update. This phase is named Basho after the 17th century Japanese haiku master. So the Daedalus and Alonzo upgrade. On April 1st, the foundation released the Daedalus update, which ushered in support for native tokens on the Cardano blockchain, along with the Project Catalyst Fund 3 voting registrations, effectively beginning the countdown to Cardano becoming an entirely decentralized blockchain. The countdown has since reached its friction. Cointelegraph discussed more on the Daedalus update with a representative of the Cardano Foundation. They stated Daedalus users can now use their wallet as a single unified interface to receive both ADA as well as a host of other native tokens deployed on the Cardano blockchain. They further spoke on Cardano becoming a completely decentralized network, elaborating, "We are delighted to report that the D=0 countdown, which signaled the full decentralization of the Cardano blockchain, has also been included in the latest implementation of Daedalus. This marks a momentous milestone where all Cardano stake pools are operated by community-led stake pool operators." On its official website, Cardano claims that this decentralization event makes it one of the most decentralized blockchains in the world. The next and final phase of Gogen and Cardano's roadmap is the previously delayed Alonzo update. The upgrade will bring small contracts functionality to the blockchain, The development of this upgrade is enabled by the Plutus platform, which brings a native smart contract languages to users of the Cardano blockchain, as mentioned in an IOHK blog about Plutus. Furthermore, the Cardano developers have even found a way to mint and sell NFT collectibles without smart contract functionality. Cointelegraph discussed with Johannes Jensen, a product and project manager of eToro X, a digital asset platform. He said the Alonzo hard fork introduces a more complex coordination problem, as the surrounding ecosystem of the services provided will need to prepare for the hard fork and the subsequent Cardano-based token and smart contracts altogether. And yeah, that is very, very interesting. And if you want to watch this video, I strongly encourage you guys to go on the Cardano Foundation, a YouTube channel of Charles Hoskinson, and watch this if you are a Cardano holder. Very, very interesting. And if we're looking at the price now, guys, we did something crazy yesterday. As I mentioned in my previous video of yesterday, this is a very, very crucial trend line that we have on Cardano, and it's a very crucial trend line, but we broke that trend line. But this is a very, very strong support. As you guys know, that $1.03 range is a very strong support. We wicked all the way down to 1.06 cents when we did see that initial Bitcoin dip, but we were bought back up very quickly and we went above this trend line. But again, we saw another Bitcoin shake off, because Bitcoin is not stable right now. It is being very volatile. So when it does become volatile and it goes down, specifically majority of the altcoins will go down with it, and Cardano is no exception. And we saw that exactly. But I believe that it will push above very, very soon, as long as Bitcoin stabilizes. And if we're looking, this trend, this support is a very, very strong support for ADA, very strong support around this level, and I do not see it go below that. If it goes below that, then we could be short-term bearish. But that if that were to happen, I would be accumulating myself. I would make my holdings bigger if that were to happen. And we got to look at both the bullish and bearish scenario. Is that a possibility? Sure, it could be a possibility. We can't say no. It could be a possibility if Bitcoin were to have another shake off and go to like $45,000 to $40,000. Definitely it's a possibility for ADA to go to those levels. But do I see that happening? Like, I believe the bullish scenario outweighs the bearish scenario as of now, because we are in a bullish upwards trend. But if we're bringing out that fib level, Fibonacci retracement, we could see, let me show you guys. So yeah, we could see, as I mentioned earlier to you guys, this 0.5 level is a very, very strong support, and look where we're hanging around. Very strong support, and I believe we will push back to that 38.2 very soon, as long as Bitcoin stabilizes and we do get more volume to kick in. I believe we will get back to this level and trade sideways before we do see that newer high. I am still very confident that we will reach $2 this month, and that is very imminent in my opinion. We literally broke almost a new all-time high, but this resistance around that $1.48 is very crucial. As you guys may know, it touched it once, twice, was unable to break it, broke it on the third time, went to a new all-time high of $1.55, but we pulled back down, and since then it has been going down. And Bitcoin does have a way to play into this due to the fact we are seeing this correction. But I believe once Bitcoin stabilizes, we are going to see this next leg up very soon, where we will see it smash past this all-time high, and $2 will be the next target, before I believe where people will take profits and we could go down and accumulate or like trade sideways around that 170 level or $1.80 level. I'm very confident about that. But the bearish scenario would be if Bitcoin goes down more. It could break. If it breaks that 61.8, then that's a bearish scenario. But I will be accumulating at those levels. But that's only gonna happen if Bitcoin were to drop even further down and have a massive flash crash, which I do not see happening. But everything right now is looking very bullish for Cardano. Cardano community is very, very strong, guys. very strong. As you guys may know, ADA holders do see the future of Cardano. They see it overtaking Ethereum. As you guys may know, Ethereum has scalability issues. The extreme high fees. A lot of people are saying, oh, ETH 2.0 is going to come out and change that. But I do not see it fixing that. And, there's a lot of these other blockchains such as Cardano, which I believe is the closest to ETH killer. Like, we have been hearing this term ETH killer for the longest time, guys. If you guys have been in the space for a while, we've seen so many ETH killers, but majority of them failed. But I believe the closest ever, a project that has ever been to it is ADA. And I really do believe in Charles Hoskinson. He was the co-founder of Ethereum, and I really do believe he is about to take this crypto space to another level. And we are seeing a lot of interest, not only from investors, but institutional investors as well, coming into ADA. And, I believe this is just the absolute beginning. Like I said, ADA holders are very, strong, a big community. They're in it for the long haul. Majority of the people are staking their ADA. If we go on staking rewards, I have showed this a lot of times. The top 10 assets by staked value, the first one, as you guys can see, is none other than Cardano. $27.3 billion worth of ADA is staked right now, and this goes to show the interest there is. And the second is Polkadot, and third is Solana. Again, what kind of thing are we seeing here? These are all potentially ETH killers. They're their own blockchains, and a lot of, we're seeing a lot of interest coming from new developers that are going, and building on these, blockchains rather than Ethereum, because they outweigh Ethereum in so many ways. ETH is an old tech, in my opinion, and obviously it does have like that, first mover advantage, but there's always a threat for newcomers to come in, and Cardano is one of them, and I believe it will take over the space, and I'll take over the Ethereum 100% in the next 3 years, as long as Charles Hoskinson and Cardano keep delivering what they are doing right now. And like, community is very strong, and they're listed on Coinbase. Volume is not a problem. A lot of institutional interest, and like I said, a lot of the investors are in it for the long haul. They see the future, and they don't care about these price movements, ups and downs. They're in it for the long haul. They see the future. Besides this bull run, sure, we could have some sort of shake off at the end of the year, but they're in it for the long haul. They see the future. They see it taking over Ethereum. A lot of people see it taking over Ethereum, and that's why we are seeing a lot of interest in Cardano. And I'm in it for the long haul, as you guys may know. If you guys haven't been a follower on my channel for a while, you guys know my stance on ADA, and I believe it is, it has a very bright future for ahead of itself. And if we're looking at the Google Trends, we are seeing a reversal, and that's a good sign. A lot of people are searching ADA, which is very bullish in my opinion. But yeah, I think I am going to wrap up today's video here. But before I leave, I want to say thank you to each and every one of you that has been showing me so much support. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much. And yeah, guys, always invest what you can afford to lose, though. Always do your due diligence, and always invest what you can afford to lose. Never throw your life savings into crypto. I cannot stress this enough. Stay safe out there. Safety comes first, health comes first, family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. And also, guys, if you guys do not have an exit strategy in place, please consider to have some sort of exit strategy in place, and always take profits. This is just, my advice to you. You guys do what works for you at the end of the day, because nothing is going to go up straight forever. I promise you that. And, we are seeing like exactly that right in front of us. Nothing is ever going to go up straight in one line. There's always going to be corrections. So if you do have a strategy in place, you can scale back in when these kind of dips occur. But that's just my own personal advice. You guys do what works for you at the end of the day. But with that being said, guys, keep supporting me. 10,000 subscribers is the next target, and I believe this is just the start for our channel. And let me know in the comment section below which other altcoins you want me to cover, and I would do that. I will definitely try doing that for you guys. But with that being said, it's been CryptoZX, and peace out.